BPTH stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Having done 37,000 videos and having spent 5 figures on courses, mentors, I've seen what's making me money and what's not, what's working and what's not. With BioPath Holdings, it's on the OTC market, of course. It's post-market right now, and for me, it's just a bearish market, and I'm not even trying to like exaggerate or do anything crazy here. It's just like literally the truth. The last low that we made was around 12 cents. We're at 17. So it's really not that far away. It's really not that far away. And this bearish bias that I had here, it's still going to stick with me. And more so I'm going to stick with it, you know. And not in a way that I'm going to short sell this market or anything really. It's just that that's my directional bias. Like when I zoom out, show up the chart, boom. And I don't think that I'll be even showing up the chart here because honestly, it's just such a disinteresting stock for me. It's crazy. It's a whole different play. You know, some people are probably looking for like a 3x maybe, you know, movement, but they start swing trading this, you know, I'll definitely stay away. Honestly, that's my 2 cents. But if you want to make more money in a simple way in just weeks, click the first link in the description and I'll keep you updated.